Hello lovelies, welcome to today's video. If you don't know already, my name's Dulcie and today I'm going to be testing a hack for the Cricut Air Explorer 2. So I've seen this hack that in order to get a good cut on glossy paper, instead of using a matte tape or a scotch tape, you can just use the clear sticker paper option. So I'm going to be trying that, and then I'm going to be trying the regular way that I do it with tape, because we all know that the Cricut has a hard time picking up glossy paper a lot of the time. So this hack was supposed to sort of help with the outcome of the cut without using tape, which I thought was really cool because, you know, I don't want to keep using tape and stuff. So I thought when I tried it, it did actually, like, it worked. But then another time I tried it and it didn't really work. So I just wanted to put the two and two head to head, basically. So I wanted to create this new cutout of die cut stickers. So here I'm just doing a square of the sheet, just so I know where to put my stickers. And I'll basically be printing two of these out, and I will be cutting one with the hack with the glossy paper, and then with the glossy paper and the tape, and seeing how they compare side by side to see which one, whether I should just continue using the tape or if I should continue using the clear paper setting. Hopefully I'm making sense to everybody. So I'm just getting my stickers ready, and I'm sorry about the horrible angles and the weird recording of my screen, and you know, it's a little bit weird to look at. So sorry about that. But I'm just kind of showing a little bit. This is how I generally get my stickers ready to be cut out. Whenever I do them, doing the square at the back with the right sizes already, so you know, is really good. And then you just like hide it so it doesn't like print with them. So I don't know if you can recognize this design, but this is actually the silhouettes of Xena Warrior Princess and Gabrielle. These were stickers that I had done in a sticker sheet already, but it's not really a design I can sell because it's kind of like cut from other pictures, but I thought these would be good to make as freebies. Obviously I did the rainbows in them and everything and whatnot, but yeah, so I'm just thought this would be a good design to test it out on. And I'm filling out the rest with like little love hearts where I can fit in, because I really don't like wasting the paper and wasting the space. So once that's all done, I obviously press attach and go on to make it, and I print 2 copies. So I don't add a bleed, and I go into system dialog, and it comes up, and I already have my sticker preference. You can see what I have it on, and that creates a good quality printout for me. So first we're going to try the clear sticker paper. So you shouldn't need any tape. Apparently it will read and then cut, which is great. Because like my Cricut for the longest time was doing glossy paper fine and then just randomly stopped. And then that's when I had to do the tape. So I'm just putting it through here and we'll see how well it cuts out. I am going to show a lot of the process, so sorry if it gets a bit boring, feel free to skip through it, but just so you can really like see how it's cut out. Don't mind me carefully just like patting the sheet back down because that mat is really not sticky anymore. So a lot of the times I'm kind of like just keeping a good eye on and things when they cut out and making sure the stickers don't mess up, because I've had so many just mess up because of they've not really been like had anything hold them onto the mat. For that reason, I will say when I like use tape, I also use it to like stick the sheet down properly just to give it some more stability. But even so, like when you like that love heart, like even if the whole sheet was stuck down, like it's sometimes it still just comes up because it's a small delicate design when it's being cut. But so far it looked like it's been cut pretty accurately, but let's have a closer look and see how we go. Also had the backing as a slightly off white color, so you could really tell if it cut 100% or not. So as you can see here, it just didn't quite cut properly. It's like it's still fine, it's still cut within the design, but yeah, the cut was a little bit off. But yeah, I don't know. So after this I'm going to do the same thing, but then this time I'm just going to put down some tape and I'm going to use the photo paper setting. So yeah, let's see how that goes. So I've laid down the tape here. It's hard to see, but I have done it. And yeah, I've kind of stuck it to my mat in general as well. And as you can see, I'm going to be using the photo paper setting because that's what I like to use to make sure that it's a complete cut through for my die cut stickers. And we'll just see how this one goes. Like I said, I'm going to be letting it go through, so if you want to skip, go ahead and skip. Skip as you please and need. So that one's done, and that setting always peels up really nicely. And it looks like the stickers cut out really well actually. So yeah, it would have been good if that hack worked. If you can call it a hack, I mean it was a setting. It's probably like trying to figure out what setting to use accurately, but the tape is probably just the safest bet because I don't have a lot of mistakes with the tape unless I'm applying the tape really weirdly. Sorry if my voice is all weird. I have a bouncing baby. Well, I shouldn't say baby anymore. She's not a baby. I have a bouncing child on me. But I've found different designs work differently, sort of thing. Like there's just one design that I just always get like a crooked cut at the end and then I can't fix it and it's so annoying. But all in all, the tape seems to work. But maybe just try it out for yourself and maybe it might work on your specific design. I guess you can just give it a go. But thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful at all. Yeah, please please consider subscribing and liking my video. Thank you very much. I've got a very sleepy baby on me. Oh damn it, I can't say baby. She's not a baby anymore. I have a sleepy toddler on me. My goodness. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.